Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahadi English School. This is the video for students of class 3 subject English. Our today's thought: it is so hard when I have to and so easy when I want to. So this thought means that if you want to do something and you feel it is difficult, then it will be difficult for you. But when you think that yes, the work is really very easy, then automatically the work will get easier for you. So have a mindset which is positive. Always think I can and you can do it. The instructions that you have to follow, the good manners that I want to teach you: be a friend with everyone, help others when they are in need, be a good listener, listen to everyone attentively, raise your hand whenever you want to speak something, sitting in a class or in a group. Be kind means help others, especially animals, be kind with them. Use these words, please and thank you, they are very good words. Take turns means give the chances to everyone. Turn by turn, you should do each and everything. In our today's video, we shall continue with chapter number 12, Who is Cleverer? Revision of the previous video and the notes of the chapter we shall study in this particular video. So, what are you going to do? While watching the video, you should have your rough book, a pencil which is sharpened, and eraser by your side. You should write the notes one time in the rough book while watching the video. And when I send the PDF, you can copy it in the fair book. So let's begin. So this is the name of the chapter, Who is Cleverer? First of all, I'll give the revision of the previous video. What did we study in the previous video? We had read the lesson from the textbook, and you know that there are 4 characters. Number 1, narrator. Number 2, the king of Greece. Number 3, Hercules. And number 4, Atlas. So, we studied that the king of Greece was very jealous of Hercules. So, he used to give him the difficult task so that Hercules would be away from the country of Greece. But the people loved Hercules a lot, and so the king was jealous of Hercules. So one day king gave a very difficult task to Hercules. The king said to Hercules, go to the garden of Hesperides and you have to get the 3 golden apples from the garden of Hesperides. Hercules went to the garden of Hesperides. On the way, he met many people. First he met maidens, the 3 young girls. Then he met an old man of the sea. Then he met a giant. And finally he met Atlas. Atlas was the man who was a very tall person. He was holding the sky on his shoulders. So Atlas said to Hercules, I can help you to get that 3 golden apples from the garden of Hesperides, because there is a poisonous snake in that garden who is protecting the garden. So Hercules said, okay, I want your help. So Atlas said to Hercules that I cannot keep this sky down even for 1 minute. So you can take this sky on your shoulders. I will go to that garden and I will bring the apples for you. So Hercules agreed. He took that sky on his shoulders and Atlas went. For a long time Atlas did not come back, and finally Atlas came with that 3 golden apples, and he said to Hercules, I am not going to take this sky back on my shoulders. So Hercules thought of a plan. He said to Atlas that for 1 minute, if you can hold this sky on your shoulders, I can make a cushion, a pillow for myself, and then I will take this sky back from you. Atlas agreed for a minute, and Hercules ran away with the 3 golden apples and he gave it to the king of Greece. And finally the king was really very happy and he greeted Hercules and they were happy after that. Now let us learn the hard words of the chapter. Number 1. Do write along with me while reading. Greece, Greece. Greece, Greece. Dear students, it is the name of the place, so G must be capitalized, right? Number 2. Hercules, Hercules. Hercules, Hercules. So here students, be careful that this is also the name of a person, so H must be capitalized as it is a proper noun. Number 3. Jealous, jealous. Jealous, jealous. Jealous, jealous. So here we have seen in the lesson that the king was jealous of Hercules because people liked Hercules a lot. Number 4. Difficult, difficult. Difficult, difficult. The king gave difficult task to Hercules. Difficult means very hard. Number 5. Throne, Throne, throne. So the king was afraid that one day Hercules will take his throne, means one day Hercules will take his seat, he will become the king. So that is called throne. The person who sits on the chair of the king is called taking the throne. Number 6. Kingdom, kingdom. Kingdom, kingdom. The king of Greece was ruling his kingdom. Number 7. Hesperides, Hesperides. Hesperides, Hesperides. Hesperides is also the name of a place of the garden where there were 3 golden apples. So, the king gave the task. The king said to Hercules to go to the garden of Hesperides and bring 3 golden apples. Number 8. Maiden, maiden. Maiden, maiden. So, what are maidens? On the way, Hercules met 3 maidens. Means the meaning of this word is the girls or the young unmarried women. So, how many maidens? There were 3 maidens Hercules met first when he started the journey for the garden of Hesperides. Number 9. Seashore, seashore. Seashore, seashore. The place where you see water and there is a shore near the sea wherein you can play. That is seashore. So, the old man of the sea told Hercules to go along the seashore and he will meet a giant. Number 10. Giant, giant. Giant, giant. That is a tall man who was near the seashore. That is giant. Number 11. Titan, Titan. Titan, Titan. Here T should be capital because it is a proper noun. Do you know what is the meaning of this word? The Titans, they were very giant, very big, god-like creatures in Greek mythology. They were very tall and very big people. And Atlas was one of the giants. Atlas was one of the Titans. He was a very, very tall man. Number 12. Eternity, eternity. Eternity, eternity. Meaning of this word is forever, means always, throughout the life. So where was this word in the lesson? That Zeus, the god, had given the punishment to Atlas, that he has to hold the sky on his shoulders for eternity, forever. He cannot put the sky down. Number 13. Poisonous, poisonous. Poisonous, poisonous. So there was a poisonous snake with 100 heads, which was guarding the garden of Hesperides. Poison is something which can kill anyone. So if the snake is poisonous, you cannot go near the snake, it might bite. So that is poisonous. Number 14. Fetch, fetch. Fetch, fetch. So fetch means to get something. Hercules said to Atlas that I can help you to fetch the apples from the garden. Fetch means to get. Fetch the apples means get the apples. Number 15. Punishment, punishment. Punishment. So punishment is something which is given when a person does a mistake or a big mistake, then that is punishment which is given. So who got the punishment? Atlas. Atlas had got the punishment from Zeus, that he has to hold the sky on his shoulders forever. That was his punishment. Number 16. Cushion, cushion. Cushion. What is a cushion? Cushion is a soft material which is used for making this pillow. You know, we use this while sleeping at night. We put the cushion under our head so that we can get relaxed and we can sleep. It is very soft. The texture is very, very soft because it is stuffed with cotton inside it. That is called cushion. Number 17. Tricked, tricked. Tricked. So tricked means to fool someone, to cheat someone. So Hercules tricked Atlas and he ran away with the apples. Tricked means to fool someone, to make someone fool and to cheat them. That is called tricked. Number 18. Quickly, quickly. Quickly. So Hercules quickly picks up the apples and runs. Quickly means very fast. The boy ran quickly, means he ran very fast. Number 19. Shoulders, shoulders. Shoulders. So the shoulders were very strong. Atlas had very strong shoulders. Number 20. Burden, burden. Burden. What is the meaning? Burden means very heavy thing which is there on your shoulder or on your head. When you keep a burden, means something which is very heavy. So Atlas was holding the burden on his shoulders, carrying the blue sky. That was the burden on his shoulders. So these were the hard words. Now let us read the meanings which are to be written in the fair book. But right now you will not write in the fair book. You just have to write these meanings in the rough book while watching the video. Meanings number 1. Eternity. Eternity. Answer is forever. Forever. Eternity. Forever. Eternity. Forever. So Atlas had got the power to hold the sky for eternity, forever. Number 2. Cunning. Cunning means clever. Cunning, clever. Cunning, clever. So the meaning number 2 is cunning, clever. Number 3. Fetch, get. Fetch, get. So Atlas said to Hercules, I can go and I can fetch the apples from the garden. Fetch means to get the apples. Now see the next topic, give one word. Let us read give one word one by one. Number 1. Old-fashioned, polite way of addressing an important person. How do you call an important person? Very politely, very respectfully. Then this is the word, my lord. Remember, Hercules called the king with this name, my lord. That is, when an important person is talking to you, who is superior to you, who is authority, who is above you, you can call that person as my lord. MYLORD, my lord. Hercules called the king of Greece with this name, my lord. It is very old fashioned, means nowadays it is not used, but so many years back when there was the rule of the king, at that time this word was used. Number 2, again old fashioned, meaning girls or young unmarried women. The girls which are unmarried, those who are young, those who are very very young and of very less age, they are called maidens. MAIDENS, maidens. MAIDENS, maidens. So as you know, we already learned about it, that first Hercules met the 3 maidens when he was going to the garden of Hesperides. Number 3. They were giant, godlike creatures in Greek mythology. Who were the giant, very tall creatures, very very tall and very big in size? They were called Titans. TITANS, Titans. TITANS, Titans. So be careful, you have to write T capital. As I said, it is a proper noun. So T must be capitalized. They were very big creatures, very very tall, very strong. That people were called Titans. Number 4. The Greek god of sky and thunder. The god, the name given to the god of sky, the god of sky and thunder. Thunder means the electricity that we see. When there is heavy rainfall, we see the lightning in the sky. So the god of the sky and thunder was called Zeus. 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 He was referred to as the sky, as the god of the sky and thunder. Again, Z must be capital. Even here you have to write capital M and L. Here you will not write M capital because it is not a proper noun. After learning given word, let us read fill in the blanks. Write one time in the rough book as I said. So number 1 is, the king was dash of him. Him means Hercules. The king was jealous of him. Jealous means he did not like Hercules because the people of Greece liked him a lot, and the king was afraid that Hercules might become the king. So he was jealous. So learn the spelling. Jealous. 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 Number 2. Bring me 3 dash apples from that tree. Bring me 3 golden apples from that tree. See the 3 golden apples. How beautiful they look, don't they? So there were golden apples. So many golden apples were there in the garden of Hesperides. So the king said to Hercules, bring 3 golden apples from that tree. Golden. 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 3 golden apples. So here the answer is golden. See students, you know the color of the gold, and gold is a precious metal. It costs a lot of money, lakhs of rupees, for these 3 golden apples. Number 3. Hercules sets off for the garden of dash. Sets off means he starts his journey. When you start your journey from your house, when you are going somewhere, that is called set off. So Hercules started for the garden of dash. Where was he going? The garden of Hesperides. Even this is a proper noun, so H must be capital. Hesperides. 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 That was the name of the garden where there were 3 golden apples. There were many, but the king wanted 3 of them. Number 4. A dash snake with 100 heads guards the garden. There was a snake. Which kind of snake was it? A poisonous snake with 100 heads guards the garden. Which kind of snake was it? A poisonous snake, which is very dangerous. If it bites, the person may die. So it had how many heads? 100 heads were there. Just imagine 100 head. We have just 1 head. He was having 100, and he was poisonous too. Poisonous. 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 Number 5. I can carry it on my shoulders while you go to dash the apples. So Hercules said to Atlas that you can go and you can fetch the apples. Till then I will hold the sky on my shoulders. So I can carry it on my shoulders while you go to fetch the apples. Fetch. Fetch. Hercules said to Atlas that go and fetch the apples, means get the apples. Till then I will hold the sky on my shoulders. Then we have complete the following sentences. CF. In short, if you are writing in rough book, you may just write the heading CF. But in the fair book, you have to write the complete heading. Number 1. The king of Greece was jealous of Hercules because dash. The king of Greece was jealous of Hercules because the people loved Hercules. Why was he jealous? Because The people loved Hercules. Number 2. On his journey, Hercules met dash. Whom did he meet? On his journey, Hercules met 3 maidens, the old man, and a giant. On his journey, Hercules met 3 maidens, the old man, and a giant. Number 3. Atlas told Hercules that getting the golden apples was difficult because dash. So Atlas told Hercules that getting the golden apples was difficult because there was a poisonous snake. Why was it difficult? Because there was a poisonous snake. Number 4. Atlas offered to go and get the apples because he wanted to dash. Because he wanted to get free of his punishment. So Atlas offered to go and get the golden apples because he wanted to get free of his punishment. He tricked Hercules and he gave the sky on his shoulders and he went for getting that 3 golden apples. Number 5. Hercules got the golden apples by dash. How did he get the golden apples? By taking the help of Atlas. Remember, Atlas helped Hercules. Atlas went to that garden of Hesperides and he got the 3 golden apples from there, right? So, Hercules got the golden apples by taking the help of Atlas. See, here A should be capital. Wherever there is a proper noun, you have to make it capital. Just like here, H must be capitalized. So let us see what did we learn today. We learned the notes of chapter number 12, who is cleverer. We learned the hard words. I will just show that. In the next lecture again we are going to have the revision of all these hard words. Right, so 20 hard words we have learned today. We saw the meanings, which were 3. Then we saw the given word, which were 4. Then fill in the blanks, 5 of them. Complete the following also, 5 of them. So today's lecture we complete over here, and I hope all of you have written it one time in your rough book with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.